Being poor is not just about having no money, it is about paying more for everything. It is about struggling to make choices that others take for granted, about carrying a weight no one sees. A hidden cost that quietly keeps people trapped. Most people think poverty is just about numbers in a bank account, but it is deeper. It is about a life of hidden expenses, stress, and missed opportunities. It is about being forced to make impossible choices day after day. Let us start with the first hidden cost: paying more for basic needs. Imagine buying cheap shoes, they break after a month, and you have to buy again. Or eating instant noodles instead of real food, which may save money today, but cost health tomorrow. Renting a small apartment, you pay month after month, with nothing to show for it. When money is tight, survival takes precedence over investment. Every choice feels expensive because every small thing costs more when you have less. The second hidden cost is mental stress. When every day is a struggle to pay bills, to put food on the table, your mind is never at rest. Every decision becomes heavier. You cannot focus on growth or long-term planning because survival consumes your attention. It is exhausting and it is invisible to others. Constant worrying shapes your thoughts, your energy, and your life. The third cost is limited opportunities. When you are poor, access is limited. Education, tools, mentors, and networks feel out of reach. You see others moving forward. Without access, doors stay closed, jobs, promotions, connections. Opportunities slip through your fingers, and it is not because of lack of talent. The fourth cost is time. Poverty steals time. Long lines at discount stores, commuting far distances for cheap groceries. Every hour you spend just surviving is an hour you cannot spend learning, growing, or investing in your future. Time is money, and when you are poor, you have less of both. The fifth hidden cost is health. Poor diet, stress, and lack of healthcare accumulate over years. Skipping checkups, ignoring small pains because the money is not there. Eventually, it catches up. Chronic illnesses, fatigue, missed work, it is a vicious cycle. Being poor costs your future health and energy. The sixth cost is social pressure and isolation. You see friends going out, buying things you cannot afford, and you feel left behind. Social life becomes a source of guilt and stress instead of joy. All these costs combine, creating the cycle of poverty. It is not just a lack of money, it is a system that makes escaping harder. But here is the shift, and it starts with awareness. Recognizing these hidden costs is the first step. Knowledge is power. Once you see the invisible burden, you can begin to act. Small changes matter. Learning about money, building skills, and changing habits, even slowly, begins to break the cycle. Start saving small, invest in yourself, and seek opportunities others overlook. Read, learn, and ask questions to build your network. Even tiny actions, repeated consistently, create momentum. Every decision to improve chips away at the hidden weight you carry. Let us be real, it will not be easy. The system is not fair. Life is harder when you start with less, but change is still possible. You have seen people rise from nothing. Why not you? The difference is taking responsibility and refusing to be held back. Awareness, discipline, and small actions can lighten the weight and eventually lift you out of it. You can reclaim your freedom, so start today. Learn, save, invest, improve. One step, no matter how small, is progress. Your future is waiting. If this video spoke to you, subscribe to Finreese. We share practical steps to grow wealth and escape financial traps. Your journey starts now.